Hello, welcome back to our channel Super SRINIVAS. Our topic is electrolytic chemistry. In our previous classes, we have completed the introduction part half, that is electrochemistry uses and differences between the electronic conductors and electrolysis conductors. Okay, today's topic is electrolysis. Electrolysis, non-electrolysis, does not conduct the electricity. Electrolysis means conducts, which conducts the electricity, which passes the electricity, is called as electrolysis. And non-electrolyte means does not conduct the electricity. Okay. Next, these examples for this sugar solution and glucose solution and water, urea in water. Next, organic covalents, non-valent, non-polar covalent substances, non-electrolytics. These are non-electrolytes. Next, pure substances or bad conductor. Pure water is bad conductor of non-electrolyte. Next, electrolyte. What is meant by electrolyte? A substance in the molten state is molten state means molten means fused state, molten state or dissolved state means in water or any other solvent containing ions. And is functioning as electrically conducting medium is called as electrolyte. Molten means fused state and dissolving means dissolving in water or any other molten state. Next, fused salts. Fused salts means liquid like NaCl and KCl. Fused salts and or hydrated fused salt and solid halides like Ag, Br, Ba, Pb, Pb of same metals. Next, aqueous solutions like NaCl, KCl, K2SO4, CuSO4 or aqueous solutions of water. Next, all fused which contains ions are called electrolysis. Suppose Na plus and Cl minus. What is this? NaCl. In NaCl from electrolysis, Na plus came and Cl minus ions are divided. These containing electrons are called as electrolysis. Okay. Next, strong electrolysis. What is mean by strong electrolysis and weak electrolysis? Okay, strong electrolytes electrolytes and weak electrolytes. Okay, what is meant by strong and weak electrolytes? Electrolytes which ions almost completely at moderated dilution and having the highest conducting are called as strong electrolytes, and weak means ions partially and low conducting. Here it is, electrolytes which ionize almost completely, which completely moderated at moderated dilution and have high conductivity. Here that is opposite. Strong means high conducting and moderate dilution. Here that is ionized partially, almost completely ionized at molten state, it partially. Okay, partially ionized and low conductivity. Okay, and low conductivity. Okay, these examples are acids, mineral acids like HCl, H2SO4 and HNO3, alkyl groups and alkali earth methods, halides, and most of the salts are strongly aqueous. Most of salts here, etc. or strong electrolyte. And weak electrolyte means examples are organic acids, bases and salts. Here it is bases, here it is acids. Base, what base? And next CH3, COO, NH4 and HgCl2 and BaSO4 and NH4OH and H3BO3 are weak electrolytes. Okay, strong electrolytes and weak electrolytes. Strong electrolytes and weak electrolytes. What in NaCl electrolyte? What is a strong electrolyte? Here we can see NaCl dissociates into Na plus and Cl minus. Okay, which is strong and which is strong and which is weak? Acid, positive means acid. This is acid. Acid is strong and base is weak. Na plus is strong and Cl minus is weak. So these both combination NaCl is electrolyte. Strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte. Next, mechanism of electrolyte. It depends on, here it is, mechanism of electrolysis and its applications. Okay, what is meant by electrolysis? The decomposition of electrolysis electrodes as the result of the passage of the electrons. Okay, electrolytic cell means what? Electrolytic cell means the cell which electrolysis carried out, which carried out electrolysis. Okay, which carried out electrolysis. Next, chemical energy. In electrolytic cell, electrical energy is converted to the chemical energy. Okay, electric energy converts to to chemical energy. Next, cathode means this is cathode. Negative charge is cathode and positive charge is anode. This have negative terminal. It is the electrode which is containing two negative terminals of the battery through entire electrons enters the electrolyte. This is it is an electrode which is converted to the positive terminal of the battery and through which the electrons leaves. It enters means negative cathode enters and anodes leaves. Okay, next, electrons flows from anode to cathode but can't flows from cathode to anode. Decreasing discharge potential. Lithium plus greater than K plus and greater than Na plus and Ca plus 2 and Mg plus 2 greater than Al plus 3 greater than Mn plus 2 greater than Zn plus 2 greater than Cr plus 3 greater than Fe plus 2 greater than H plus greater than Cu plus 2. These are the discharged potential cations. Okay, discharged potential cations. Today we discussed about the electrolysis and electrodes and mechanism of the electrolysis, which is cathode, how can we say that is cathode or anode, dissociation of electrons in a compound, electrons which like dissociates, and these are learned in this chapter. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please motivate us with your like button, hitting the like button. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Super SRINIVAS. Don't forget to subscribe.